We are packing to go. It's like past 8 and we need to meet up at 8:20. Oh, I look so tired. And this is breakfast.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, unless you can open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so.
The girls are in there. Hello. Hello. Hold it up for the camera. Show us what it is. It's actually so cool. Do you want to swap? I'm joking.
Oh my goodness.
That's pretty. Woo! That's awesome. Hello there.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you? How was the coffee?
Coffee was quite nice, yeah. Yeah, I wish I could have more. If it's possible to go and ask if I can have more.
Yeah, you can. I'm sure you can. Yeah, do it. Go for it. So, how was the coffee company?
It's really nice. I took a nice latte.
Ooh.
And it's really good. Do you want to try it?
No, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I had a sample of vanilla cinnamon coffee. It was good, but I'm not really into coffee, so I don't know if it was really good or not.
And you?
I got a iced vanilla latte.
Oh, yummy. Yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ladies.
And I have some postcards.
Woohoo!
Look, guys, look at my postcards. Ella, help me pick them.
So pretty.
This is amazing.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. That could be our photography, yeah. Oh, that's the national flower.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus, yeah.
Hibiscus. Hibiscus, yeah.
Oh, that's where
We've been
yesterday.
yesterday there. Yeah.
We are going to our next
Helicopter,
shaka shaka hike. Gonna go on a hike.
Really?
Got water.
Water. Bottle of water.
Dang. We knew it was coming. We just knew it. Knew it.
I'm so sorry.
We are going to our next stop. I think it's going to be a hike.
A bottle of water.
Well, a bottle of water. And we're going to see some
a bottle of water. A bottle of water.
The whole vlog is just going to be you making fun of me. My accent. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need this beautiful thing that I got. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. These are clouds. And then there's the ocean, and then, oh my fucking goodness. This is just crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy.
Channel?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel, and you're gonna be on
Really?
it. Yes. I have 66 subscribers.
Hi to the 66 subscribers.
Thanks. We just finished at the lookout. We're gonna go on our hike now.
Hack. Yeah, let's do some hack and let's have some sweat on our bum.
We are going. We just finished our hike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't a hike.
It wasn't really. It was more like
wasn't a hike.
a
This is
walk
not a
in
real hike.
some bushes.
Yeah.
Do you guys get any good footage?
Yeah.
Any good
Oh, yeah.
shots? Yeah. Okay. Me too. I don't really like taking videos. I mean, photos of
Yeah. Yeah.
photos of nature. So no. Yeah. We're going to our next hike, which I don't know what that is.
I know what it is.
What is it?
The Lilo and Stitch Island.
Oh. And we are here. Holy cow, we're here. We are here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark.
Everyone's tired. But we're going to the boat tour now to do the sailing. So snorkeling. Oh yeah, to do the snorkeling.
We're going to go snorkeling. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna teach you how to be a mermaid. Did you know that I'm actually a mermaid?
Yes.
Like when I touch the water. when I touch the water. Ow! I was not done talking. Like actually when I go into the water, then I get like a
tail.
Oh, yeah, sure. It is. Is it on? Probably
She asked me to switch on my camera and then she starts talking to other people.
we have some issues right now.
The girl is sleeping.
Yeah, like when I go into the water, like when someone is touching me with water, then I get like I don't know how to what's the word?
A tail.
A tail, yeah. I get a tail.
Yeah, I
And my
heard
hair
you fall.
turned purple actually.
And you have like starfish in your hair.
No, don't go crazy. Like my hair is just turning purple with some orange red highlights.
Yeah, no, that's way more realistic than starfish in your hair. It's a little scary.
It's scary.
It's a little scary. Look how beautiful my hands are. Don't look at that one, it's broken. Yeah, I'll give you this one. This hand. Yeah, what if we had a fear of hats? Ah! Baby, that's it! Not allowed to do that. On the road again. We're gonna go snorkeling. On the road again. I assume one of these boats is gonna be ours.
Which one do you want?
I don't know. A good one that works.
To the Kauai Coast? Yeah! Alright. How did you guys like snorkeling? Now some of you saw turtles too, so that was great. This spot here is called Macaulays. Now if you guys look up, so we got this other boat over here on the right hand side. If you guys look up in the cliff there, you guys see that smooth round spot. That's actually an old lava tube, cross section of an old lava tube. And so we call this spot Makoles, which means the red eye. And the legend is that red eye was glowing when the Polynesian voyagers first arrived, guiding them into this island. So beautiful legend there. So, Makoles.
On the road again.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late.
We've just got back.
And I
It's 12:10 at night. I just finished editing and posting my assignment. And I'm gonna get up at 5:40 to go watch the sunrise. So see you in the morning.
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye, set on his toes Kanye. I hate the new Kanye.